Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss how to do Manipura Mudra. Manipura Mudra is related to the Manipura chakra. It is also connected to your mental body or Vijnanamay Kosha. This mudra is related to your desires, your willpower, your ability to take action. If you are feeling let down, if you are unable to take action, you must definitely practice this mudra. If you have digestion issues, then also you can practice this mudra. This is a complex mudra to practice and it has to be performed with both hands. The stipulated amount of time to practice this mudra is 10 to 20 minutes, but of course you can practice it more or less depending on your own situation. So to do this mudra, you basically use your index finger and touch the base of the ring finger with your index finger, and do the same with the other hand. Make sure your middle finger is at the top, then wrap your middle fingers over your index finger. Okay, then touch the tips of your thumb and ring and little finger. So this is Manipura Mudra. I hope it's not too complex for you. You can place it on your lap while meditating, or on the Manipura chakra, or which is also called the solar plexus region, which is right below the diaphragm. So that is the Manipura chakra. That is what gets activated whenever you decide that it's time to take action. That's the chakra that is responsible for that. If you're someone who is let down, who's unable to take action, who's feeling lazy all the time, this is a chakra that you need to master. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.